I'm so thankful and grateful when I get comments from students, such as from Priscilla, for example, who says, I bought all your courses. I wish I had you as a teacher in person. Well, there's always Zoom. We can tutor on Zoom if you'd like, coaching and so on. Or something like from Astrid, who's all the way from Sweden, if I'm not mistaken, who says, taking your courses have changed the way I see design and clothes, and that has been life-changing. So thank you. Or Ayana, who says, thanks to this professor, I've already draped 2 dresses based on my own design. He was the first person who has really persuaded me to start my first sketchbook. Thanks guys, keep up the good work. Let me know what you want to learn next. See you in class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.